Okay, welcome to Assam Voice Up channel. So today I want to discuss how to install Anaconda in your Windows systems or in Linux systems or in Apple systems. So this is my YouTube channel, Assam Voice Up. So welcome to everyone to the Assam Voice Up channel. So I have lots of videos. If you see, there are lots of videos is there. So this channel is basically mix up channel, so you can find the GKs, or you can find some entertainment things, or you can find some educational videos. So currently we are discussing on the Python programming videos. So if you are interested in programming or Python programming, then you can visit my channels, and lots of videos is there, so you can share with your friends, and please support my channels and do subscribe and likes and comments in your views. Okay, so today's lecture is for how to install Anaconda. So for that you have to open your browser, maybe your Chrome's, maybe Mozilla Firefox, Opera menu, whatever you have, just open it and then type anaconda.com. okay, then hit enter. So it's Anaconda website will be display, and then go to the product. Okay, just follow my cursor, product and individual edition, click there. Okay, so in the right side you will see download. Because I am login from Windows, so it will default download the Windows. If you click there, it will be automatically download. Okay, so in the below side there is three icons for Windows, Apple and this Linux. So if you are Apple user, click there and it will go to the below and there is a Windows, Mac and Linux. So if your system is like 64-bit, you have to choose this one. Okay, 64-bit graphics installer. And if your system is 32 bits, then you can choose this one. According to for Mac 64-bit there, so for their graphical installer and for command line installer. Okay, in the Linux they have a two different type of version, so you can choose according to your OS systems. Okay, as I have already installed in my systems, so because my system is 64-bit, I have installed this one, download this one and then install. So after installation, how can you open your Anaconda? So just go to the start and type Anaconda. Okay, then this will be open. Okay, just click there, and I have already clicked, so that will be open. It will take a little bit of time, so this will be display. Okay, so for that, how you will test whether your Anaconda is working or not? So for it's basically for data science. Okay, if you can use this one, so there is a Jupyter Lab, Notebook, Qt Console, Spider, VS Code, and lots of things there. Okay, there is also R Studio. Okay, so now we'll launch our Notepad, Jupyter Notebook. Okay, you can type here. Okay, it will take little bit of time for launching this Jupyter Notebook. Or there is another way you can launch this Jupyter Notebook. So go to the start and type Anaconda, then you'll find Anaconda prompt. Click there. Okay, for clicking there, it will be like this will be display. Okay, this one finally just when we click there, like in Anaconda launch Jupyter Notebook, that will be automatically display like this. Okay, and so another way we can launch our Jupyter Notebook via Anaconda prompt. So just type Jupyter Notebook and then hit enter. It will be automatically launch your Jupyter Notebook in your default browser. Okay, it's like this for the previous one and this one is the same things. Okay, so remove one things, and now you have to check whether it's a Jupyter Notebook is working correctly or not. Okay, so for that, follow my cursor, then new, click there. There is a Python 3. Okay, so another new tab will be open, and it takes a little bit time because my system is slow. Yeah, so you can rename, just click there in untitled, that's Python and hit enter. Okay, so rename, and there a cell So for that you have just a second, just to assign some values like x equal to 5, hit enter, y equal to 10. Okay, for execution you just press from the keyword shift plus enter together. Okay, this will be execute. So there is a number, okay, 1. So this line is executed. So you have to print this value of x and y. For just you have to just like print print x comma y. Okay, value 5, 10 display. It means our Jupyter notebooks and Anaconda installation is correctly installed and its Python is working correctly. Okay, so you want to find the sum equal to x plus y. So we have already assigned the values 5 to the x and 10 to the y. So it will be just do summation 5 plus 10 equal to 15. Whatever the values of the x and the y, that will be stored in the variable sum. So just like execute by shift plus enter from your keyword and just print sum and then shift enter. 15 is display. It means your Anaconda is working correctly. Okay, so today only this much. So thank you everyone. So you just install your Anaconda, your system, Windows, Mac, whatever system you have, just install and try to do this. Okay, and learn Python programming as much as possible. Thank you.